Hi YouTube, filming this one inside the car because the wife's asleep and I don't want to wake her up. Alright, well I had this really weird idea of modding the Chernobyl. This is going to be mutation 2, well 2.1 actually. It's going to be, this is not going to be the final edit of it, but it is just for a proof of concept. And this is also why I'm inside the car, because the car is self-contained, which means I can find all the ammo after I'm done. Because I just made the Chernobyl into a blunderbuss. It's firing rival ammo. And here comes the very first test fire. Yeah, it works. Sweet. And all of them shot. There was 10 in there. 10 rival ammo. Yeah, they went all over the car. That's awesome. Anyway, I'll see you later.